Welcome to Stuff We Love. This is Mike with Family Handyman, and I've got 3 cordless tools that'll make your yard work a breeze. Let's check them out. Here we have DeWalt's battery-operated brushless pole saw, and it's going to be great for that homeowner who does their own tree trimming. It'll make that job easier, faster, and safer. You don't have to get a ladder out, you can keep your feet on the ground, and it allows you to reach up to 15 feet up to cut those taller branches. This tool gets to be about 10 feet long with the added extension here, or it can be about 6 feet long and not have to deal with that extra length. It's got this 8-inch bar here and I found it's really easy to set the chain onto a limb. The chain will draw itself into the bucking spikes here, and then all you have to do is let the chain work through the limb and then make sure you catch it on its way down. The bucking spike also acts as a limb hook. So if those limbs get caught up in your tree, go ahead and put it up there and pull them down. Really easy, makes the job simple. Now, like all DeWalt tools, this is run off the 20-volt max system. You can buy this for $200 with a 4-amp-hour battery, or you can buy it tool only for $150. Check it out at home centers and online. That is the DeWalt Cordless Brushless Pole Saw. Here we have the WORX 24-inch battery-operated hedge trimmer. Now, it's great for anyone who is sick of being limited by an extension cord and tired of lopping those things in half while you're using a tool like this. The 24-inch bar gives you plenty of reach while you're trimming your hedges, and the spacing in between the teeth let you cut some pretty decent sized hedges. Now, the great thing about this tool is that it's got this rotating handle. Now, the reason why that's great is because you don't have to contort your body to cut vertically. All you have to do is take a half a second, rotate that handle up and shift your position here, and you're not in an awkward position while you're cutting vertically. Now, for $150, you can get this thing with the 2 batteries and a charger. You can find them at home centers and online. That is the WORX battery-operated 24-inch hedge trimmer. Here is the Ego 56-volt cordless blower. Now, this is a great machine for anyone who wants to make yard work really simple. Whether you're mowing the grass and want to blow the grass clippings away, or cleaning up during the fall. Now, this unit is really powerful with 530 CFM, that is cubic foot per minute. That is how fast the air is moving through the machine. Other units with this range of power are much bigger and heavier, which is why I really like the Ego. It's light, it's small, really easy to use. It has an adjustable dial of the CFM, so you can pull back the power on the machine. It also has this really cool turbo button, so if you're operating in the lower power end, you can give it a little bit of extra boost whenever you need it. Now, it comes with a 2.5 amp hour battery, which will give you 75 minutes of runtime. That is plenty of time for you to clean up your entire yard. Now, this thing is $200. It comes with the battery, a charger, and the blower. You can find them at home centers and online. That is the Ego 56-volt cordless blower. So there you have it. 3 cordless tools that'll make your yard work a whole lot easier. We love them, and we know you will too. Check us out again next time on Stuff We Love.